Welcome to our channel. Today in this video I'll discuss with you writing task 1, and the question for today is the map show the changes that happened to an island called Paradise. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. So we are given this Paradise Island and it's in past and present. So a lot of modification we can see, like only there used to be only scientific research station, natural spring, and some trees were there, and a pier is there which from where the people entered or through the boats. A beach can be seen which is given permission now for swimming in the present day. So a lot of changes are there. The scientific research station has been now demolished, and at that place we can see a hotel complex, and in the north of this a swimming pool is there. An open restaurant has been built at the place of these trees in the center of this area, in this island, and a BBQ area is also there. And we can also see a cafe here near the natural spring. A scenic lookout is also there, and the whole area is connected by a cycle path as well. So now instead of boats we can see cruise ship as well at the pier, and the area for the pier is also increased. So the maps depict the transformation of Paradise Islands, and overall the island has evolved into a well equipped tourist attraction. However, trees have been cleared and an open restaurant has been built in their place. So we can see the trees has been cleared now and an open restaurant has been built at its place. In the past, the only permanent structure on the island was a scientific research station that can be reached by a boat from the west, and from the west it can be reached with the help of boats. A dock in the west allowed tourists to arrive by boat, while a beach was located in the northwest of the island. So a dock or a pier was there which allowed the tourists to arrive there by boat. A beach was located in the northwest of the island. So we can see a beach was located in the northwest of the island. There was a natural spring to the east and some rocks to the northeast. So we can see to the east there was a natural spring, and some rocks which are still present were at the northeast direction. Currently, the research facility has been replaced by a large hotel with a swimming pool to its north. Now, this research faculty has been replaced by a hotel complex with a swimming pool to its north. Through pier, where cruise ship has replaced the boats, there used to be boats, and now these are replaced by the cruise ship. Guests entered the island has been expanded. Now this area has also been expanded. Now in the island center, an open restaurant and a BBQ area were built. A cafe has been established to the south of the spring. Now we can see to the south of the spring a cafe has been built. On the northwest side of the cliffs, a picturesque view point has been established. Now on these cliffs we can see a picturesque view or scenic lookout is also there in the northeast direction. Not in the northwest, it's in the northeast, not west, EAST, east. Okay, now the beach is now open to the public, as there were no permission in the past for swimming, but now the swimming is permitted, so the beach is open for the public. Surprisingly, all the facilities are connected by a cycling route. So all the facilities are connected with the by a cycling path. So this dash 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 is representing the cycling path. So this was for today. If you like the video, do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.